Let's check out these incredible tools that bring efficiency and precision to your everyday tasks. From gardening to repairs, these satisfying gadgets make your work smoother and faster, leaving you amazed by their design and functionality. All the links are available in the description below. Number 20. Dolmar PS6100. Let's check out this fascinating tool combination. A chainsaw paired with a debarker attachment. This versatile setup effectively strips bark and removes dirt, prolonging the sharpness of the saw blade and enhancing efficiency for tasks like wood preparation. The Dolmar PS6100 chainsaw, selected for this purpose, is powered by a robust 61 cubic centimeter engine, generating 4.5 horsepower, 3.4 kilowatts, with a maximum speed of 13,800 revolutions per minute. Weighing around 6 kilograms, it balances power and portability. Its 0.8 liter, 27 ounces fuel tank and 0.48 liter oil tank provide up to 30 minutes of runtime per fill. Additional features like vibration damping and lateral chain tensioning further enhance usability, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty work. Number 19. Kacnon Cordless Air Duster. This compressed air duster features 3 adjustable speeds: 70,000 RPM, 90,000 RPM, and 110,000 RPM, allowing users to clean more effectively with varying levels of airflow. It has a one-button start for convenience, enabling speed adjustments in just 0.1 seconds. Unlike traditional compressed air cans, this model uses a rechargeable 7,600 mAh battery, which does not release chemicals or liquids during use, making it more environmentally friendly. The device also includes LED lights that activate when in use, aiding visibility in darker spaces. It comes with 5 nozzles, making it versatile for cleaning different surfaces like computer cases, keyboards, and even cars. Number 18. Active 2.0 Electric Pressure Washer. The washer is designed to make cleaning tasks both efficient and effective. It comes with a newly developed 5-piston Pro pump, which is built to perform at a high level, offering similar results to the Active VE52, but with twice the longevity. The machine features a strong 1800-watt motor paired with this advanced pump, delivering a peak pressure of 1800 PSV and a solid water flow rate of 2.0 GPM. This combination provides 3,600 cleaning units, ensuring strong cleaning power for various tasks. The washer also includes useful accessories such as a 20-foot reel rubber hose, 4 quick connect nozzles for different cleaning angles, a 600 milliliter foam blaster, a metal lance, and a 35-foot electric cord with a built-in GFCI for added safety, whether you're washing a car or cleaning your patio. Number 17. Makita Cordless Brushless Screwdriver. A versatile tool that excels in high-volume screw driving tasks, the Makita Autofeed Screwdriver is powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering strong performance with a motor speed of up to 4,000 RPM. This tool accommodates screws ranging from 1 inch to 2 1/8 inches in length. A standout feature is the auto feed mechanism, which prevents screw strip tangling and enhances efficiency. The screwdriver is constructed with durable aluminum housing and is dust resistant, ensuring smooth operation over time. Despite its powerful motor, the tool remains compact and easy to handle, making it ideal for tight or hard to reach spaces. For extended use, it includes a lock-on button. Its ergonomic design, featuring a rubberized grip, ensures comfort and reduces user fatigue. Number 16. Enerpac Battery Torquey Wrench. The tool features a digital motor vectoring system that ensures reliable performance and offers a user-friendly LED display for easy adjustments of torque. Users find it particularly valuable for its high torque output, capable of reaching up to 8,130 Newton meters, which makes it well suited for demanding tasks. Its precision is another key strength, providing an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 5% across its entire range. Unlike many competitors that only guarantee accuracy at the maximum torque setting, the wrench also includes 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries and a fast charger, which ensure dependable operation even in remote locations. Number 15. 200-watt JPT laser cleaning machine. This laser cleaner is designed to clean metal with high precision, using a pulse mode that delivers short yet powerful laser bursts. This method effectively removes rust, paint, and other coatings without causing damage to the underlying metal, making it ideal for cleaning detailed or intricate parts. Its ergonomic backpack design makes it easy to maneuver at the job site, and the air cooling system eliminates the need for liquids. This pulse cleaning technology reduces the risk of damaging the metal, offers high precision, minimizes lens wear, and ensures efficient targeted cleaning. Number 14. Einhell Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless wet-dry vacuum cleaner efficiently cleans dust, dirt, and liquids from various surfaces including tiles and carpets. It has a 10-liter collection container that can be easily emptied with quick-release fasteners. Its ergonomic design and carry handle make it portable, while the built-in blow connection helps clean hard-to-reach areas. The motor runs quietly for comfortable operation. Included are a 2-meter extendable hose, a 2-in-1 grout brush nozzle, a 2-in-1 upholstery universal nozzle, a foam filter, and a dirt trapper bag. The on-off switch is conveniently positioned for one-handed use. However, the battery runtime may be limited, especially during heavy-duty use, requiring a larger battery for longer tasks. Number 13. Car Cleaning Jelly. This auto interior cleaning putty is specifically designed for hard-to-reach areas such as vents and small crevices, effectively picking up dust, hair, crumbs, and other debris. It offers a simple, convenient solution for keeping your car interior clean. The putty is reusable multiple times, maintaining its cleaning power until the color darkens, signaling it's time for a replacement. Once used, you can easily store the gel back in its jar in a cool place to maintain its effectiveness. Beyond car interiors, this cleaning gel is also ideal for home and office use, perfect for cleaning keyboards, printers, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and even furniture. For best results, ensure the surface is waterproof to avoid any issues with residue. For more updates and cool tools, make sure to like and subscribe. Number 12. Coutale Manual Tie Down. This plant tying tool offers a simple solution for securing plants to trellises, significantly speeding up the process by allowing users to complete up to 45 ties per minute. It's suitable for a wide variety of plants, such as grapes and tomatoes, on any type of trellis. The tool uses eco-friendly biodegradable wire encased in a paper sheath, with each spool providing approximately 1,000 ties. Each tie can support up to 8 kilograms, making it reliable for securing even heavier plants. The tool is designed for ease of use. Just attach the wire, press, and you're done. A starter spool is included, allowing users to get started right away. Number 11. Dewalt 20-volt max cordless drill. Equipped with a brushless motor, the Dewalt impact driver is designed for maximum efficiency and ease of use. This powerful tool delivers up to 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and 3,400 RPM, making it ideal for driving large screws and handling a variety of construction tasks. Thanks to its high power, it excels at tackling tough jobs, delivering 30% more work with the same level of torque. Perfect for professional use, the driver features a variable trigger in 3 speed modes, allowing you to select the optimal settings for each task. Additionally, the integrated LED flashlight enhances convenience by providing extra illumination, making it easier to work in dark or low visibility areas. Number 10. Beetle EDC. When alone, life can feel dull. This slider offers a simple and fun way to bring joy back into your day, breaking the monotony of adult life and helping you become your own happy maker. The toy helps calm your mind and improve focus. It is also beneficial for those with hyperactivity or autism and can assist in breaking bad habits like smoking or nail biting. This well-crafted, enjoyable stress relief toy makes the perfect gift. Number 9. Marshalltown Mesh Taper, a highly efficient tool for drywall installation, offering a user-friendly experience for both professionals and DIYers. Designed to handle mesh tape, this tool ensures a smooth and consistent application of the tape on joints. With its compact size of 12.5 by 10 inches, it accommodates tape rolls with 2-inch or 3-inch cores, making it versatile for various tape sizes. At just 1.35 pounds, the tool is lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is particularly important for long projects. The roller extends during use, which provides easy access for taping corners, an area where many traditional tools can be difficult to handle. Additionally, the trigger-powered blade cuts the mesh quickly and precisely, saving time compared to manual cutting. One of the most beneficial features of this taping machine is its ability to reinforce seams and prevent cracking at the joints. Number 8. Ladder Leveling Tool. This all-in-one tool functions as a ladder leveler, elevator shelf, stop, and tool stand, with the ability to support up to 500 pounds, far exceeding most ladder capacities. Its non-slip surface and rubber grips ensure stability and safety while working, particularly on high-slope roofs. The tool is lightweight, portable, and easy to install, making it a convenient solution for improving ladder safety and functionality. However, some potential drawbacks include the tool's weight and its limited compatibility with certain roof types. While it performs well on asphalt shingles, it is not suitable for metal or tile roofs, reducing its versatility in certain applications. Number 7. 3D Simo Multipro. Acting as a portable workshop, it merges the functions of both advanced equipment, like a 3D printer and soldering station, and simpler tools such as pliers and screwdrivers into one compact device. Its open-source nature gives users the freedom to customize and experiment, unlocking a world of creative possibilities. With attachments like a 0.3mm drill bit or a soldering tip that heats up to 490 degrees Celsius in just 20 seconds, the Multipro is perfect for tasks such as engraving, burning, and cutting. It works seamlessly with materials like wood, plastic, and carbon, making it versatile enough for a wide range of crafting and repair jobs. Number 6. Fire Starter Torch. This high-quality tool, crafted from stainless steel, brass, and aluminum, is designed to easily light grills and coals without the need for traditional matches or lighters. With a maximum temperature of 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, it is compatible with various grilling systems, including ceramic grills and charcoal smokers. The device operates on butane, isobutane, or MAPI Pro gas, igniting charcoal and wood in seconds. Additionally, it is useful in the kitchen for tasks like roasting and caramelizing foods. The flame size can be adjusted according to your needs with a flow control feature, but the tool requires butane, isobutane, or MAP fuel, which could be inconvenient if you run out during use. Users need to keep spare fuel on hand to avoid interruption. Number 5. Ronin Lift Power Ascender Kit. This powerful personal lifting device is designed to move both people and heavy loads with exceptional ease. Constructed from durable steel and aluminum components, it weighs only 26 pounds, ensuring portability without sacrificing strength. With a continuous lifting capacity of up to 400 pounds, it is ideal for a wide range of applications. The lifting speed is adjustable, ranging from 5 feet to 1.5 feet per second, allowing flexibility based on the task at hand. The device's rugged design ensures reliability, and the hot swappable battery provides extended usage. This feature allows you to keep working throughout the day without worrying about downtime. Combining portability, power, and user-friendly features, this lifting device is an indispensable tool for professionals. Number 4. Goldblatt Dust Freehand Sander. Specifically designed for drywall sanding, with an ergonomic soft rubber handle for comfort. A key feature is its connection to a vacuum cleaner, which helps remove dust as you work. It comes with 120 grit sanding paper, suitable for smoothing out uneven surfaces while keeping dust under control. The sander's 360-degree rotating elbow ensures that even vertical surfaces can be easily sanded. The 6.5-foot hose offers flexibility to move around the room without having to drag the vacuum. An included adapter makes it compatible with most vacuum cleaners that have a 1 1/4 inch hose diameter, making the tool versatile for other workshop sanding tasks as well. Number 3. Olsa Split Beam Torque Wrench. This Torque wrench is easy to use tool ideal for industrial tasks. It features a ratcheting mechanism that smoothly adjusts the torque within a range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds. The torque adjustment is handled with a knob, which is easier to control than standard rotary knobs. To prevent accidental changes, the gear guard includes a locking feature. When the set torque value is reached, a distinct click alerts the user, ensuring bolts are not over-tightened and risk damage. The wrench's handle is protected with TPR for comfort, oil resistance, and better grip. Built from industrial-grade Corvadium alloy, it ensures longevity even with heavy-duty use. Number 2. PowerDuction 10R. Now we have a portable induction heater, engineered to heat metal parts and make it easier to separate jammed components. Offering 1,250 watts of power, it operates through a standard socket and ensures safety with its built-in overheat and overload protection features, so you don't have to worry about accidental button presses. It comes with a durable carrying case and 5 different nozzles, each designed for specific tasks. The nozzles include various spiral wire diameters for smaller parts, while a flexible braided cord is included for larger items like exhaust pipes. To use the device, select the appropriate nozzle, wrap it around the part to be heated, and press the button to activate the heating process. This tool is efficient for both small and large metal parts. Number 1. Wen Compact Circular Saw. This is a compact yet highly effective tool, perfect for DIY enthusiasts or professionals who often work with various materials. Powered by a 4.2 amp motor, it reaches a speed of 4,500 RPM, providing sufficient power for precise cuts. One of its standout features is the plunge cutting capability, allowing users to adjust the depth up to 1 inch, making it ideal for tasks like laminate installation or drywall work. The saw comes with 3 different blades: metal, tile, and wood, ensuring versatility across different projects. Additionally, the saw includes a laser guide to help maintain straight cuts and a dust collection system with a 2-meter hose to keep your workspace clean. The included guide bar ensures straight, precise long cuts. I hope these tools will impress you. They provide solutions for everything from gardening to maintenance. Thank you for watching.